just means more, right, Ben?
In the SEC,
Exactly,
everything.
And obviously, that restaurant just means more to the people that go there and love it.
I like that. Well, I don't know if you noticed, today got a little busy out there.
I don't remember.
There was one person I noticed who was on the air a long time.
Yeah, tired of seeing that guy, that's for sure. Yeah. So, been one of those days. So, the storms are gone, the radar is empty, and now it's time for the coats to come back out. Some cold stuff and some windy stuff. Definitely kicking up as we go through the day tomorrow. Here's a look over downtown where we have 57. And as we head through the overnight, we'll drop down to the mid-40s. You might be saying, well, that's not that cold. Not yet. But this kind of begins the real push from this cold front. You can already see the winds have shifted to the northwest here, and we're seeing 50s after 70s today. And the winds, again, not so bad right now. The yellow number, again, is going to be your occasional wind gust. We're seeing 14, 16, somewhere in there. We'll call it 15 as an average. How about that? The radar shot is quiet, except for the leftovers here that are making their way down into southeast Georgia. So that does it. It was just a little while ago. The final sprinkles finally left Wheeler County, and as we pull the map away, we can see nothing coming in behind it. As I mentioned before, good thing is these things don't have a reverse on them, and they don't turn around and come right back. So that's it for this. This will exit to the east. Some wraparound snow flurries in North Georgia. If you're walking through the dog through there tomorrow afternoon, just know that. As we go into Saturday, more sunshine. So we may be kind of battling, trying to bring sun in tomorrow with some clouds. But I think by the time we get into Saturday, we've got it all coming back, you know, the sunshine thing. And then we'll keep it going as we go into Sunday. So a great looking weekend. But it's definitely going to be January taking back over. That's going to be the storyline. So as we head into tomorrow morning, look for maybe some mid-40s. As we head through the day, not changing much at all. Maybe just sitting still, somewhere in the mid to upper 40s in most spots. And then tomorrow night, definitely making itself known here. This is going to be Saturday morning in the low 30s. Saturday afternoon, some places may still struggle to get out of the upper 40s. This will take us into Sunday morning where we can see some upper 20s there and some spots there. So let's talk about the wind. We had a breezy day today. Everything was coming in out of the south ahead of the storm, setting the stage. Now that the front will be coming on through more and more, notice the winds will pick up 30+ mile an hour wind gusts tomorrow. So there you go. Now the winds are coming in out of the opposite direction, bringing in cold, dry air and really affecting the wind chill, and it should die down some by the time we go into late Saturday. And here's what it does to the wind chill tomorrow. It'll feel like the upper 30s all day tomorrow, and then as we head into Saturday morning, it'll feel like maybe low 20s, could have some upper teens in a couple of pockets there, and then you can see still cool feeling as we get into Saturday. We have a second here to show you long range Sunday. Monday still looking quiet. Once we get on into next week, there's the potential for some rain to come back around. It's kind of hanging around on the models for a couple of days there, but I'm not saying we're going to see rain all those days, but the potential there is there. And of course, we'll see cold stuff then becoming maybe low 70s again. So all of a sudden, we're kind of acting like spring here with the severe weather and swinging the numbers back and forth from cold to warm. All right, I want to take a moment to remind you to send us the photos, videos, only, of course, when it's safe to do so, which obviously it is now, but it's dark. Anything you would have shot earlier, we'd appreciate it. If you have trees down, damage in your area, share that with us. You can text them to 752-1309 or upload them through the Near Me feature on our app. We're continuing to share photos you've sent us from storm damage, heavy rain, dark clouds, all that stuff. We're coming back with sports next.